Hello, beautiful. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Cody, the founder of Montarbo Skincare, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin, regardless of your age, concern, or budget. And I'm so excited to have my bestie, my ride or die, the one and only Crystal Wanchai.
Hi. It feels good to be back, to say hi, and to see you guys. Or you see us, I guess.
Yeah, she is so responsible for keeping me on track with the comments and answering emails and all kinds of stuff. So you've definitely probably been in touch with her, and she has been such a blessing for the brand and the company and our clients. She's just helped us grow in so many ways, and so I'm so excited to acknowledge her and to also have her share what she's about to share, which is a new set that she came up with and created just for you guys, for those moms, those people that are out there wondering about our line, or they want to take care of their skin but they're not quite sure what to do or where to start. And so she created a starter kit for you, and I'm going to let her explain all of the details now. Are you nervous?
A little.
Why?
I don't know. I think it's the camera. We were talking about this. Cody's such a natural. He's been doing this for so long, but I think what helps is, and I keep saying this too, to just pretend like you're just my friend. I'm just talking to my friend.
These are our friends. These are the people that have shown us support and love and kindness and positivity, and so that's all they want for us, and that's all they want to see, you know, in us is that kindness. And so I think that it can seem scary, the internet and the people on it, but for the most part, 99.9% of people are awesome and kind and generous and supportive.
That's so true. So much love. You guys definitely give so much love. It's
thank you.
Incredible. Yeah.
It keeps us inspired and motivated.
Yeah.
And to hear the feedback that also our products are helping other people that we have not met is such a dream come true for me. And Crystal has been a huge part of that, and I know we're kind of rambling here, but today's video is a little different because I'm so excited to be collaborating with Crystal, because Crystal is not only an incredible skin therapist who's helping our clients achieve incredible results, but she's really on her A game with skincare and formula and customer service and knowing a lot of things. And she's often the person that you're speaking to online, or she's answering a lot of questions and emails and stuff. So I thought it would be cool to do something different, to include her in the process of creating her own kit. And so I told her I asked her if this is something she would be interested in doing. And she was like, I think, yes.
I'm a little hesitant because, now the spotlight and the pressure's on you, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Because it's, for me, it's a little more personal, so.
That's right. So, but she came up with her own little kit of products that I'm going to let her kind of take the wheel here and explain a little bit about why she likes these products. It's a new set. It's going to be on sale. It's usually $131. We're going to give you 15% off for a limited time. So it'll be $111. And 111, and it'll have free shipping as always, and it'll have a little instruction thing in there so you can know how to use them. And what I like about her kit, before I let her go on, is the simplicity of it, because you know me, I can be very complicated, and it's just simple, and I'm going to let her explain now.
Okay. So when Cody gave me the opportunity to kind of come up with a few products in a kit, I thought, okay, all our products in general are advanced, but I kind of like the simple route. I like not having to think about the routine and the skincare and this and that. I just want to do it. Just, okay, there's my steps. I can do it every day. Okay, cool. So I think this would be a perfect, simple, yet starter kit, and I feel like it's a staple. So I'm calling this the starter kit. So it has 3 products in it, which are all my favorite that I use pretty much every day. First product is the Gentle Nutrient Rich Cleanser. It's my favorite cleanser, although it seems a little more simple. That's what I like about it, because it doesn't have a bunch of things in it, and I can just use it and not have to worry about having a reaction or it being too harsh. It's great for babies. Anyone can do it, honestly. It's just nice, simple, it's gentle, and perfect for after peels too. So that's what I like to use it for. And then you can do it all year round. So it's not something you have to think about. So the next product is the Vitalizing Vitamin C 12%, which some of you guys are probably not new to, but this is honestly my favorite vitamin C serum. Well, Actually, before I met Cody, I didn't use the vitamin C. And I didn't realize that I was missing that in my life. Like, I knew that you should use it, but I never realized the importance. Like, I don't know, in skincare. But it changed a lot. So as soon as I started using his vitamin C, I noticed just my complexion. It looked brighter. Like any of the spots that I had seemed a lot more faded, because back then I had a lot, you know, a little bit of acne, so then some scarring that came with it, and then plus sun damage because we're in sunny San Diego, so it's inevitable. But this is just a perfect antioxidant that you can use to heal, hydrate, protect your skin, and you can use it twice a day. So after you cleanse, you throw this on, let it absorb, and then move on to the next step. So it's pretty easy.
Do you know, so, because some people ask, and, you know, it's like, oh, it's only 12% we hear, because people are selling now like 30% and stuff. What is your thought about that?
Oh, so after being educated on the different percentages, the 12% I like personally, because I feel that I am acne prone, that I do build congestion easily. Like, you look at me wrong, I feel like I'll break out. So it's kind of the perfect formula and mix, because I haven't had any issues with it. It just seems to do its job. It does feel a little warm when you apply it, but I notice that with vitamin C in general. So anything over 12%, I would say, you know, be careful, especially if you're more acne prone basis, just because a lot of times the way it's made, they're made to be a little more hydrating, so you might get a little bit of buildup from that, or breakout. Yeah, so that's why I like it. It's safe for everyone to use, unless, again, you have some rare sensitivity to vitamin C. Next product, and the last one, is the glycolic cream. This is my favorite. So, so at first, okay, so it's funny because I kind of have like an interesting relationship with this product. When I first tried it, I was a little iffy on it because I received a lot of irritation right away. And I was like, ooh, I don't know if my skin likes this. I would get a little bit of redness, you would get kind of that itchy feeling, a little bit of that tingling, and it would stay for a little bit, but then go away, and my skin would be fine. So I decided, okay, maybe I shouldn't do it every day. That might be too much. So I started just doing it like every other night and building my way to using it every day. And so as soon as I did that, I noticed my skin became tolerant, but then I saw the transformation. So because I pushed through, I noticed my skin just looked, in the best way to say this is snatched. Like, my skin looked clear.
We love snatch.
Yeah, it looked clear. It looked brighter. My congestion didn't seem as apparent, and actually helped with the texture. And then more than anything, which I didn't expect, was firming. I feel like because I'm young, and thank God to genetics, I have that. I never looked for anything anti-aging yet, but that's kind of a nice surprise I got from it. It was just that firming and tight feeling, so it was nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is a moisturizer. This is what you would use after the vitamin C. I think it's best to wait, if you can, at least 3 minutes to let that absorb before applying your next layer, which would be this. If you find this to be a little too much to do every day, do it maybe starting 3 times a week or every other night, depending on how you feel, and you could always adjust. And so I just picked these 3 just because I feel like those are the most beneficial as a starter and something easy to get into. So I just feel like these are like good staples to have, because it's simple but advanced, to put it. Yeah,
and I think too, just to kind of piggyback on that, is that a lot of people that are maybe new, or they don't know where to start, or their skin may be sensitive but they want to treat their skin, or they're just used to buying drugstore, and so when they use something that's active, they think, you know, there's something wrong when you get dry or a little flaky or a little red or a little irritated. And that's always a good sign of the product working and doing what you really want, which is to stimulate the skin and to turn it on and to wake it up and to resuscitate it, so to speak, so that it's just stronger. It's like a muscle. You know, the skin is like a muscle. If you don't work out your muscle, you start to lose the muscle. And then when you go back and work out again, you know, when you work out, you get a little pain. So it's kind of the same theory with skin.
Yeah, same analogy. You kind of want to give it a healthy push with the right things. You know, to build strength, to build some type of transformation, you need to do something. You can't expect to be calm and soothe and not really get a response.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah, and the thing too about the vitamin C is it's also a moisturizer, so you might get a little dry and red and whatever at first, but it's also formulated so that it acts as a moisturizer as well. And then the glycolic cream is also a moisturizer. So yes, you might get a little dry and flaky, but that should help you produce moisture and retain moisture so you're not reliant on a moisturizer, which my line, I'm not a big on moisturizing, like additional moisture. Do we have them? Yes. But if the products should work in such a way so that you're getting the most bang for your buck with the product that is treating it, stimulating it, and helping the skin to retain and produce its own moisture, which the glycolic cream does. So
yeah, so it's normal when you start to feel a little drier than usual, just give it some time, let your skin, adjust to it and let it just transform. And the other thing I wanted to mention too is I think the biggest reason also that I wanted to create something full is because I think about me and I think about all the mothers out there that got so much on their plate. It's like the last thing they do is take care of themselves, so it's so hard sometimes. So this is just kind of an easy thing. Like I said, you don't have to think about, like, I cleanse, I put on my vitamin C, okay, throw on my moisturizer, now I gotta go change this diaper or make some food or something. So just something easy, and so that way you can still take care of yourself and it not be an extra task for you.
And can they use the glycolic cream? Great points.
Mm-hmm.
No, very good points. Can they use the glycolic cream twice a day?
They could if you're feeling a little more advanced. Definitely.
And if that's like your main exfoliant or whatever?
Yeah. Just be sure in the morning that you're on point with your sunscreen, because anything that you're using acid base, you're going to be a little sun sensitive. In general, you should wear sunscreen every day. It's all part of the process, but for sure.
Yeah. I'm so excited for you, and you came up with these. She did great with coming up with these, and I think it's awesome to have people, because some people don't know where to start with our products and our line, so this is perfect. I'm so proud of you for coming up with these and the idea. And when she was coming back and forth with, like, kind of the things she wanted to say about the kit, I just loved it, because she talked about the moms and they don't have time, and I want to use something but I don't want to have to worry about it. And so this is a great way, so you don't have to worry about it. You can start using all these products and start to see a transformation, and then if you want to advance, you can start adding other little things into your regimen, even if it's from like another line.
Yeah.
So
I like that it's friendly with other lines, so feel free to use your favorite moisturizer or whatever the case with it. That's totally fine. Thank you, Cody, for giving me that opportunity to create something and collab. So
we have way more surprises up our sleeve coming. So anyway, guys, I love you guys so much. We love you so much. Thank you for your continuous kindness and support. Know that all of that energy and that love and that positivity that you leave on our comment on Instagram and YouTube, we receive that, and we're so blessed to receive that type of kindness and generosity.
Yeah, it really blows me away how much support that we just get in general, but Cody, and just that you reach out, it's all acknowledged. So thank you, and forgive my shyness and I'm new to this YouTube world, so
she's liking the spotlight, I think.
Just a little.
All right, guys, love you guys so much, and if you love this info, please subscribe, and we'll see you soon in a new video, and don't forget to always stay gorgeous.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.